Does your team still learn once a year and hopefully? You're watching the Creative Learning Agency, where we transform the way we learn at work.
Many companies still treat training as an event. One course a year, a workshop with PowerPoint, an LMS with content no one searches for.
What is the problem? That doesn't generate change. It doesn't create skills. It doesn't improve results. LinkedIn Learning confirms 94% of people would stay longer at a company that invests in their development. But they don't ask for more courses. They want to learn while working.
The true advantage lies in designing learning ecosystems. Spaces, tools, and conversations that enable learning exactly when it's needed.
What can you do today? Close your next meeting with the question, what did we learn today? I shared a lesson learned after a mistake. I opened a channel with weekly microlearning sessions. If you want your training strategy to have an impact, stop thinking of it as an activity and start seeing it as a system. In our free 2025 Learning and Development Guide, we show you how. Link in bio or in the comments. Let's learn differently. Let's teach differently. The Creative Learning Agency